Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm knitting two-sided or double-sided hat with a stockinette stitch, and I want to show you how to make this finish while making it on the other end of the hat. The knitting has to be divided in 4 equal parts with 4 loops in between each section. I have 120 loops on my needles, and in each section I have 26 loops and 4 loops in between each section. I already placed my markers on this side. That's the beginning of my knitting, and also that's gonna be one marker beside the 4 loops that's going to be in between each section. And here again another section and 4 loops in between, another one, and one more. On each side of the section with 4 loops I will make 1 decrease. In total, in one round, I will make 8 decreases. And in the next round, I will not make decreases at all. So in every second round, I will be making decreases until I'm ready to close the knitting with tapestry needle. And I'm starting with the first decrease. I will knit this loop, then place it back, and go with the second loop over the first one that I just knitted. I will tie it a little bit and continue knitting before I reach 2 loops till my next marker. This is 2 loops before the section with 4 loops. I will knit these 2 loops together, but I will change the position of the loops first. I will place them back and knit them together. Then 4 loops, just knitting them. Sliding the marker, second decrease. So that's going to be second decrease, meaning this was the first one before the section, and this is the second after the section of 4 loops. Knitting this loop, placing it back on the left needle, and going over with the next loop, and I will just tie a little bit, just tying this yarn. Continue knitting until I have 2 loops left till my next marker. Another decrease, and this is decrease before the section of 4 loops. I will knit these 2 loops together, but switch the position of the loops. And knit them together. This section of 4 loops, marker, and decrease. So this decrease is made with first knitting this loop, then I will place it back, and I will go over this loop with the next one, like that. And I will tie it just a little bit. Okay. Continue knitting till I have 2 loops left before the next section of 4 loops. So before the section of 4 loops, I'm knitting 2 loops together. First changing the position of the loops, placing them back on the left needle, and knitting them together. Section with 4 loops. Marker. And then another decrease. So for this decrease, I'm knitting first loop, placing it back, and going over with the next loop, like that. And just a little bit, I'm gonna tie it. And the last decrease in this round, round number 1, I will knit these 2 loops together, but change the position of the loops. So I'm just gonna take them one by one, place them back, and knit them together. And 4 loops. We are back to the beginning of the knitting. In the next round, no decreases at all, just knitting all the loops. The next round with decreases and all other ones are exactly the same as the first one, so we're making them in the same way. 2 loops are before the section with 4 loops, and I will make the decrease with these 2 loops, and then after the section with 4 loops, I will make a decrease here. I will show you just this one pair, just to show you that they are done in exactly the same way until it's time to close the loops with tapestry needle. So I'm changing the position of these 2 loops, placing them back, and knitting them together. Now section with 4 loops. Marker. And another decrease. This one I'm making the knit stitch with the first loop, placing it back, and going over with the next stitch. Again, in this round, I will make decreases. In the next one, I will not make decreases. I will be repeating this pattern until I'm ready to finish the knitting with tapestry needle, and I will meet you then. There are 24 loops left on my needles. I stopped 1 loop before my marker, and I have 2 loops between each section with 4 loops. In the next round, I will be making decreases of these 2 loops. I will knit together this loop with this one, so those together. That's gonna be 1 loop from the section of 4 with the one that's left to decrease. Then again, the one that's left to decrease with 1 loop from the section of 4, and then the rest of them in the same way. At the end of this round, I will have 16 loops on my needles. First, I'm gonna slide this loop to the right needle, remove the marker. That's a marker for the start of the round. Then I'm gonna place it, then I'm gonna switch the position of the next loop, place them back, both of them, and I will knit them together. And next decrease I'm gonna do in the next way. I will knit this loop, I will place it back on the left needle and go over with the next loop this way. And I will continue decreases for the rest of the round. After this decrease, I will go around with knit stitches just one more time before I close the knitting with tapestry needle. Now I'm gonna leave some end of the yarn, cut the yarn, and close this knitting with tapestry needle. I will slide each loop to the needle in the same way I would knit them. And I will close my knitting like that. Just to secure this closing, I will go with tapestry needle a few more times over these loops. Now I will go with the yarn inside and cut it.